Around the world, biodiversity is slipping away. A chance to save it can be found at the center of our plates. How we use land and water to grow food is a major driver of biodiversity loss. On land, we're running out of room for food production, which is leading to the clearing of forests and other ecosystems. In the ocean, industrial fishing practices harm habitats in hard-to-reverse ways. But a solution exists that can feed more people with fewer resources: alternative proteins. Compared with conventional meat production, plant-based and cultivated meat reduce land use by up to 95% and eliminate livestock-related pollutants from entering our waterways. Shifting towards plant-based and cultivated meat could free up to 3 billion hectares of land for reforestation, renewable energy production, regenerative agriculture, and more. Alternative seafood can ease the burden on our overfished ocean and help preserve wild fish stocks for the coastal communities that rely on them. Biodiversity can't be solved until food and agriculture is part of the solution. Reimagining meat is key. Can you see it now? Let's solve it together.